Hi, my name is Bruce Stewart and I am the team leader for Group 15 Skankska. For this video assignment, we had question 3 for event number 5. We believe that the question of Van Buren Construction, VBC, being entitled to a claim depends on the reasoning behind the wrong installation of the carpets. The type of carpet should have been approved by both the owner and architect, and then verified by the general contractor via submittal logs and later on by the architect via his walkthroughs. If the color of the carpet is specified in the project documents and VBC failed to follow it, then a contractor should not be entitled to a claim, as this was an error that could have been verified through reviewing the submittal logs on their end and the other parties involved. However, if the color to be used is vague or not specified in the written contract/documents, then depending on the written contract between the owner and VBC may be entitled to a claim. The days that the contractor could claim would most likely be the 2 weeks when the architect was away on vacation during the carpet installation, plus the time it takes to order and install the new corrected carpet. However, VBC should have requested more information from either the architect or owner when something is uncertain. This mishap was costly and pushed the substantial completion date roughly a month later, from September 21st, 2015 to October 19th, 2015. Nevertheless, with the amount of mishaps that have occurred prior to this incident, there should have been more care and attention to detail given when the material orders were placed.